You gonna do gentle hands to Pearly Pearl? Gentle hands. You go get her. Gentle hands to Pearly Pearl? You know how to do it. Gentle hands? You do so nice? Do nice, nice. You do nice, nice to Pearly Pearl. Oh, Keelitha! Pearl, you're supposed to stay there for that. Oh, you guys love each other, huh? Good girls. Oh, competition for Dad. Who's up there? Pearl gets some love, followed quickly by Esty. Good job, Esty. Good girl, Pearly Pearl. Good girl, Pearl. Ooh. Pearl gets a treat for putting up with Esty, and she's out of here. Esty, say bye-bye. Bye.